Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to add sound effects in Splice. Splice is the powerful mobile video editor that makes creating stunning videos super easy. Today we're going to learn how to add sound effects to your video, giving them the extra pop and professional feel. So let's dive in. So first you need to open to a Splice app on your phone, and over here you can select your existing project from the draft, or you can also go to your new project, as I'm going to select the existing project here. And once you get into this interface here, what you can do is you need to select this audio just beside the text on the bottom. And over here you can find the sound effect just below the music. Tap on the sound effect. And over here you'll find ton of the sound effects that you want to put in your video. As I'm going to select one of the sound effects from here and tap your sound effects to get into your video or the photo in the editing session. And tap on the add on the bottom right, and this is it. The effects have just been added to your video. And adding sound effects in Splice is super easy and can really elevate your video's energy. And don't forget to save your project. And thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down and we will reach out to you very soon.